Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to film a get ready with me on the look I'm wearing right now. It is not an everyday look. I am not going anywhere special. I got really bored and decided to do something that was a little bit more dramatic than what I've usually been doing. And yeah, so we're gonna get right into the makeup and I hope you guys enjoy this video. My skin looks so patchy because I did that self-tanner contour thing and I don't think it worked out so well for me, but this is it. So first things first is I'm going to prime with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So I'm going to start with that. Next step for me is brows. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in the shade Ebony. So I'm going to go in with that. So next step is shaping my brows. I'm going to use the Hourglass Vanish Concealer in shade Cedar. Now we're gonna go on to shadows. I am going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. Next, I'm going to go in with my Milani holographic eye topper to use from the inner corner to the center. Now I'm going to use the Hourglass Caution Mascara. So next I'm going to go back in with my Hourglass concealer and I'm just going to conceal a little bit under the eyes and on my blemishes. So next I'm going to go in with my Dior Forever Skin Glow Foundation mixed with the NARS Orgasm Liquid Highlighter. So I'm done with the foundation. It is very light, but that's just because I tanned. And this is my shade when I'm not tanned. So that's what I have to do. I'm going to go in with my cream bronzer from Fenty Beauty in the shade Macchiato. Next, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. I got this from the Mario Masterclass and I've been obsessed with it ever since. Now that my skin is concealed, covered, and glowing, I'm going to go in with my Hourglass Veil Loose Powder. Now that I'm done setting my under eyes, I'm going to go back in with my eyeshadows and I'm going to smoke out my under eyes a little bit. So now I'm going to go in with bronzer. Today I'm going to use the Ambient Lighting Bronzer by Hourglass. So now I'm going to go in with my Dior Backstage Glitz Highlighter Palette. Now that I'm done highlighting, I'm going to go in with my Hourglass blush in the shade Diffused Heat. Next, I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in the shade Foxy Brown. Next, I'm going to go in with two Huda Beauty lipsticks, one matte and one demi matte. So next, I'm going to go in with my MAC Studio Fix powder to buff out all of my makeup. So last but not least, I'm going to go in with my lashes. Today I'm using Velour in the Lash Fluff Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little tutorial. Please like, subscribe, and share, and thank you for watching.